Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2024 Top 10 Winning Tips to Win on Rounds to get A+. This is Top 10 Winning Tips for Round 2. You can check the links to get the video for Round 1 and watch again if you like. For Round 2, so we still use the Industry Condition Report and use the free Excel file to update IND and calculate the sales forecast for each round and update IND of all the products I show you again now. So remember that we start with the COMPXM decision, and remember to check the industry condition report. I say it again. You need to check the industry condition report to see the performance and size of the product. We need to update each round. 5 segments here: traditional, low end, high end, performance and size are different. We can use table 2 to see the update for 5 products in 5 segments for 8 rounds here. But remember to use the table 3 to update product to the ideal spot. So it means we cannot just use this number. We need to calculate to increase performance, reduce size for 5 segments: traditional, low end, high end, performance, size here, because they are updated with the different numbers. And the tips here is to use the Excel file here to calculate that. If you don't know, you understand, you can send me the industry condition, but I can update the Excel file and send it back to you. Only update this row only, one row only, again one row only, right? And then all the other number will be updated automatically, right? I set the numbers already. So now we update for round 2. We see that 6.4 and 13.6, and also round for the second product low end. We don't update this round. We wait for one round. This product as the low end need only one time in round 3. And this we can update to 9.8 and 10.2 for high-end products. This for performance is 11.4 and 14.6. And also for the size of 5.2 and 8.8, a little bit close to that. And now we have K2 is 7.8 and 12.2 and 17,500. We have 3 slots to add 3 new products, so we will do that in round 1, 2, round 3, and that's the strategy for broad differentiation strategy. So we can get the top sale and profit from round 4, because we can double the sale and double the profit. So you see the launching dates again from June to September is okay. And now we set decision for marketing. Marketing is very important, but we started correctly. If you want to check the price range, we can always check the number from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here to see the details of the price range here. And also you see the growth of the market here to calculate the sales forecast. You can check the top selling product here. So to update your products depends on that, right? So now we set the price, so we can reduce the price 50 cents each round to maintain the top competitiveness, right? So 4 and 3, 4, and then for the new product you put it 1,000 because you have here to sell. And we can always increase the promotion and sales here for the current 3 existing products in high end, and here we increase 106,000. We spend more promotion and sale here for traditional and low end because both of them accounts for 70% of market share. You can see the number from here. Traditional here you see the market share here 31%, and for low end here you see the 39%. So 2 of them account for 70% of market share. That's why we spend more promotion and sales here and a little bit less here. And for new low end we put it here, right? So now very important to calculate the sales forecast. So we are team C, right? Team C. So we check the unit we sell here, and then inventories. We use this to calculate the sales forecast. I show you how. If you are not sure, you can send the email to me. I will explain you more details about how to calculate the sales forecast, right? And now we get the Excel file to calculate the sales forecast based on the number we sold from last round, and then we use that to multiple with the segment growth, and then we get this one. We can add about 20%. Okay, 20% of sales forecast to avoid stock out, and then here we get the production using the sales forecast deduct inventory. So now we put in the sales forecast. So remember to put that correctly. 1983, sorry, 1938 and 3048 to 3048. Then we input that 697. For this 635 and for this we have 629, and for this we have 9AA, right? So that's good. And this season we have production, right? Production. For production we have 1938, this 2982, this 637, this we have 481, this we have 629, this is a new product we have 988. So that's two very important decisions, right? We calculate the sales forecast and we calculate the production schedule. And now we increase automation for traditional, for low end, increase this for low end and traditional, right? Okay, fine. So we can put here 300. We check how much budget we have left, right? So we see the budget. Okay, that's enough budget. This one we can add about 200 here. This we have 200 here or 300 here if we can have that or not enough budget, right? Yeah, a lot. So this maybe 100, this maybe 100. We can check it again. Yeah, we have enough now. So for HR, this is a second round, we can use 3,040 hours. Next round we can use 5,080 hours. And now for finance, right? The first round we use the first 3 rounds we use all the sources of information funds we have to have enough cash here and avoid any kind of emergency loans. And now we check the pro forma income. We will have very good sales here and 31% of contribution margin, and we get good profit here. Remember that we are spending a lot on R&D, promotion and sales, so we get some profit. It's okay in round 1, 2 and 3. In later rounds we can get top sale and profit and lead the game. So now we are going back to see the top 10 winning tips. Now you see that we use industry condition report. We use a free Excel file you can download in the link under this video. Update R&D, add new product in round 1, 2, 3, set prices, calculate the sales forecast in marketing, calculate production schedule, add new capacity, sell surplus capacity. We don't do that in round 2. Increase automation in round 2, 3, use resources of fund in round 1, 2, 3. So if you like, you can send the email to mbahave2002@gmail.com to get support for round 1 and round 2 for free. And also you can check the blog Capsim guide 2021.blogspot.com and order 1 hour Zoom session to see all the detail, get all the details, explanation for each decision of a round. Or you can send email to winmbagames@gmail.com. That's all the winning guide and tips for round 2. You can check the other video for the other rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.